Lesson: Approving requirements. Approving requirements is a critical phase in the requirements lifecycle management process, essential for ensuring that the developed solutions meet the expected business needs and constraints. This phase is a key component of the Certified Business Analysis Professional training, focusing on transforming stakeholder expectations into a finalized set of requirements that guide the development process. Successful approval of requirements involves a combination of strategic communication, negotiation, and documentation skills, alongside a deep understanding of business objectives and stakeholder needs. One of the primary actionable insights in the approval of requirements is the utilization of a structured requirements approval process. This process typically begins with the identification and engagement of key stakeholders who have the authority and interest in the project outcomes. These stakeholders often include project sponsors, technical leads, and end users whose input is crucial for aligning the requirements with business goals. Engaging stakeholders early in the process fosters collaboration and ensures that their concerns and expectations are addressed, reducing the risk of rework and project delays. A practical tool for managing stakeholder engagement is the RACI matrix, which stands for Responsible, Accountable, Consulted, and Informed. This tool helps clarify roles and responsibilities, ensuring that each stakeholder is appropriately involved at different stages of the requirements approval process. By explicitly defining who is responsible for developing the requirements, who is accountable for their approval, who needs to be consulted, and who should be kept informed, business analysts can streamline communication and decision-making. Once stakeholders are identified, the next step is to document the requirements in a manner that is clear, concise, and comprehensible to all involved parties. Effective documentation often utilizes standardized templates and formats, such as user stories, use cases, or requirement specifications, which provide a common language for stakeholders to understand the requirements. This standardization helps prevent misinterpretation and ensures that all parties have a shared understanding of the requirements. A widely recognized framework for developing and documenting requirements is the Business Requirements Document. The BRD serves as a comprehensive guide that details the business needs, objectives, and expected outcomes of the project. It includes sections on the scope of the project, functional and non-functional requirements, assumptions, constraints, and acceptance criteria. By providing a holistic view of the project, the BRD facilitates informed decision-making and serves as a reference throughout the project lifecycle. During the approval process, it is crucial to conduct formal reviews and walkthroughs with stakeholders. These sessions allow stakeholders to validate the requirements, ensuring they accurately reflect their needs and expectations. A structured review process often involves presenting the documented requirements to stakeholders, soliciting their feedback, and addressing any concerns or discrepancies. Techniques such as peer reviews, inspections, and formal requirement walkthroughs can be employed to enhance the quality of the requirements and build stakeholder confidence in the proposed solutions. Negotiation skills are also vital during the approval of requirements, as stakeholders may have conflicting interests or differing priorities. Business analysts must be adept at facilitating discussions, mediating conflicts, and reaching consensus among stakeholders. Techniques such as interest-based negotiation and consensus-building workshops can be effective in resolving conflicts and achieving stakeholder buy-in. A practical application of these principles is evident in the case study of a large financial institution that successfully implemented an online banking platform. The project involved multiple stakeholder groups, including IT, marketing, customer service, and regulatory compliance teams, each with distinct requirements and priorities. By engaging stakeholders early and utilizing a RACI matrix, the business analysts were able to clarify roles and responsibilities, ensuring all parties were adequately represented. The analysts documented the requirements using standardized templates and conducted formal reviews and walkthroughs to validate the requirements with stakeholders. Through effective negotiation and consensus-building techniques, they were able to align the diverse stakeholder interests and secure approval for the final set of requirements. This structured and collaborative approach minimized the risk of rework, reduced time to market, and resulted in a successful implementation of the online banking platform. Statistics support the importance of structured requirements approval processes. According to a study by the Standish Group, incomplete or unclear requirements are a leading cause of project failure, accounting for 13.1% of failed projects. By implementing a rigorous approval process, organizations can mitigate this risk and improve project outcomes. In addition to structured processes and tools, technology plays a significant role in enhancing the requirements approval process. Requirements management software, such as IBM Engineering Requirements Management Doors or JAMA Connect, provides a centralized platform for documenting, tracking, and managing requirements. These tools offer features such as version control, traceability, and collaboration capabilities, enabling stakeholders to collaborate effectively and maintain alignment throughout the project lifecycle. For instance, the use of requirements management software allows for real-time updates and notifications, ensuring that all stakeholders are informed of changes and can provide timely feedback. This transparency and accessibility facilitate a more efficient approval process and reduce the likelihood of misunderstandings or miscommunications. In conclusion, approving requirements is a vital aspect of the requirements lifecycle management process, requiring a strategic blend of stakeholder engagement, documentation, negotiation, and technology. By implementing structured processes such as stakeholder identification, documentation standardization, formal reviews, and negotiation techniques, business analysts can effectively align stakeholder expectations and secure approval for the requirements. Practical tools, such as the RACI matrix and requirements management software, further enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of the approval process. These strategies, supported by real-world examples and statistics, underscore the importance of a rigorous requirements approval process in achieving successful project outcomes and delivering value to the organization.